Got it here, Mint Direct Mini Monster Box. Check this out from UpMax. Investment you hold, UpMax. 100, I guess 100 coins. 2021 1 ounce silver American Eagle. Beautiful. There's ID and all that stuff. So there's a little seal, just a plastic, doesn't really mean anything. Anybody could just stick a little tape over. But let's see what's inside. This is so satisfying to open in a box like that. I always wanted one. You actually could buy one of these at some coin stores or even eBay. Sometimes they sell out, so in case you want to buy one of these without the sticker, usually they take it down, the sticker. There's only one sticker over here. You can actually put a sticker, your own sticker, and title your coins. But check this out. Boom, you have it here. 5 tubes of like I guess rolls, whatever you want to call it, of silver coins, and they fit in there so well. And this is American Eagle. Oh, Mint Direct. There's another sticker over here, same thing that it says on the box. Beautiful. Look how well it fits. It's so satisfying. So this is 100 ounces of silver. Okay, let's unbox one of these. Just a little plastic out here. I just put one glove on. Wow, check this out. It has actual plastic all the way around. Let's see if I can open it without breaking it. Sometimes you want to have a knife to kind of pry it open, because I've seen a lot of times the plastic kind of gets old and breaks off. So check this out. Beautiful 2021 Silver Eagles. Whoops, you don't want to do that, but you know it's okay to touch coins on the rim as long as you don't touch it over there. But yeah, there you go, 100 ounces. Beautiful. Let's open them all just so to see what it looks like, the whole stack over here. Plus it's pretty satisfying to unbox every single one of them. The shrink wrap, some of them are a lot tighter than the other ones. There you go. There's another stack. Beautiful, shiny, as you can see, straight out of the mint, 2021. There's actually a low amount of them in 2021. I'm pretty sure they had some trouble minting them, especially with the new 2021 Eagles too. So that's kind of cool to have 2021. Another one. It is very satisfying taking those out. Oh, some of them upside down and stuff. That's cool. What is it? 30 coins over here. Oh no, that's in 20, so that's a 60 coins. Gonna put them back in the tube once I open them. You see how easy it is to open it? Beautiful. And that's how we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you go. We have 20. And the easiest way to put them away, just put them kind of like upside down, like that, and just help it out. Boom. These containers are nice, keeps them in there really sealed and not really wiggly. This is a nice way to store them, that way you don't have to count each one of them, how many you have. You have right here 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And on top of it, if you don't want to count how many of these ones you have, you can have these mini boxes, so that way you pretty much have 100 ounces of silver in one box. You don't have to guess how much you got. You could put like a blue tape on it, so that way it's not super easy to open. I like it. Always wanted to do unboxing of this mini monster box. Finally got myself to buy one of this.